परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाई आयोजित 6 दिवसांचं प्रॅक्टिकल बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड कम्प्युटर इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग.
पात्रता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि कम्प्युटरचे शिक्षण आवश्यक. बीई, डिप्लोमा, बीएससी, एमएससी झालेल्यांसाठी उपयुक्त.
या ट्रेनिंगमध्ये भरपूर प्रॅक्टिकलसह मुलाखतीची तयारी करून घेतली जाते, ज्यामुळे जॉब मिळणं सोपं जातं.
ट्रेनिंगसाठी संपर्क डॉक्टर ढेकळे, परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, MIDC वाई. मोबाईल 98 222 41 255.
Good morning, myself Dr. R.V. Dhekale. We have designed and developed Nortons Theorem in AC circuit. Now we shall see first its chart. This is the title, EM is given, apparatus given, this formula. This is the linear network circuit, AC circuit, consisting resistance, 3 inductances, and see, this is the equivalent Norton circuit, which consists inductance L4, resistance R4, variable resistance, and AC voltmeter V2. This is the observation table. Here we have to note the values of V1 and V2 at different load resistances. Here procedure is given. By reading this procedure, anybody can do the experiment. Now we shall see the construction of the Norton's theorem in AC circuit. See, this is the step down transformer of 12 volt 500 milliampere. Now this is resistance R1, R2, R3, this resistance R4, this inductance L1, L2, L3, L4. This is the trim port. There are 3 numbers of 2 pin ports here, 1, 2, 3. Here is a toggle switch. By taking the lever of the toggle switch in upward direction, we can measure the voltage V1. In that case, output of the linear voltage goes to the output port. If this lever of the toggle switch is pulled in down directions, output of Norton equivalent circuit goes to the output through these switches, and therefore this output V2 can be measured. It requires AC current meter 0 to 20 milliampere, and this is the AC voltmeter whose range is 0 to 200 volts. It requires 3 resistances, that is 470 ohms, and it is having this port. Then second resistance is 1000 ohms with this port, 2 pin port, and third resistance is used as a 1500 ohms with this port. We shall see the working of Norton's theorem in AC circuit. I am switching on AC 230 volt for the step down transformer. AC 12 volt goes to the board. Now I am switching this toggle switch towards the voltage V1, and I am connecting the AC current meter at the output socket, and I am switching on the current meter C. This current is 2.1 milliampere, that is the short circuit current. It is also called as Norton current. Now we have to adjust this current in the equivalent circuit. I am disconnecting this, I am connecting this AC millimeter in Norton equivalent circuit C. This current, short circuit current, is same, and it is adjusted here by the use of trim port. If current is different, we can adjust the trim port by the use of small screwdriver here. So this current, Norton current, is parallel to this impedance due to inductance L4 and resistance R4. Now the output voltage, now I am disconnecting this current meter here. Now we shall measure the voltages, output voltages at different load resistances. I am connecting voltmeter at the output. I am taking the load resistance of 470 ohms, and I am connecting this at the RL port here. Lever is taken towards the V1. I am switching on the voltmeter here. See, value of V1 is 0.7 volt at this load resistance. I am switching this lever towards V2. See, this voltage is 0.8 volt. That means V1 is nearly equal to V2 in this case. I am changing the load resistance now to 1000 ohms. See, connecting this at the load resistance port here. I am switching this lever to the V1 port. V1 is 1.7 volt. Now I am taking this lever towards V2. This voltage C, it is same 1.6 volt. That means V1 is nearly equal to V2 in this case also. Now I am changing the load resistance to 1500 ohms, connecting at load resistance port. I am taking this V lever of the switch towards V1. See, the voltage V1 is 2.2 volt and V2 is 2.1 volt. That means in this case also V1 is nearly equal to V2, and this proves the Nortons theorem. Thank you.
परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचे संपूर्ण ऑटोमॅटिक ऑटो लेक्चर बेल आणि ऑटो राष्ट्रगीत प्लेअर सिस्टीम शाळा कॉलेजसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त. उत्पादक परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स MIDC वाई. फ्री डेमोसाठी संपर्क 98 222 41 255.